आप कभी पॉलिटिक्स का शिकार हुई हैं?
Nowadays, I think politics is everywhere, no doubt. So, but I don't get into that. I don't like it. I don't.
Nobody
in fact,
likes
you know,
it.
when you are presenting anything, you're working. I think you have been working very hard. You're very good with your work, and that is not enough. काम करते रहो, बैठे रहो, कौन देख रहा है आपके काम को? राइट टाइम में अपने काम को प्रेजेंट करना, राइट पॉइंट को प्रेजेंट करना, दैट इज डोंट टॉक टू मच. आई थिंक पीपल डोंट लाइक इफ यू टॉक टू मच.
कुछ लोग होते हैं सिर्फ काम करते हैं एंड दे अज्यूम कि समझ ही जाएंगे, बॉस तो देख ही रहे हैं.
ओ ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. अजम्पशन नहीं कुछ होता है, अज्यूम नहीं कुछ होता है. यू हैव टू व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग, सो यू हैव टू लर्न दिस आर्ट ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग वेल एंड प्रेजेंटिंग वेल.
तो कभी आप सेल्फ डाउट के घेरे में आई हैं?
Yes, of course. I used to put all my open all my cards, and I have realized I think what wrong I have done. I have put some wrong points, or I'm not. I think I have talked too much. People are avoiding me.
I want you to share 4-5 tips to make a confident leader. We are talking about females here.
So major accessory for the female is your confidence.
हम बात करते हैं इक्वालिटी की, हम बात करते हैं इक्वल राइट्स की, और बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है आपके पेरेंट्स का कि आपको उन्होंने कैसी अपब्रिंगिंग दी. अगर एक फैमिली में एक लड़का और एक लड़की दोनों हैं और उन्हें जो समानता का अधिकार बचपन से सिखाया गया है, और अगर उन्हें समान अधिकार दिए गए हैं और उन्हें ट्रीट इक्वली किया गया है, तो वो बहुत अच्छे लीडर बनते हैं और उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग जो होता है वो बचपन से बिल्ड होना शुरू होता है. आज की कहानी जो है वो बहुत पावरफुल है बिकॉज शंकरी, उनके पापा ने उनको वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया कि आज वो ये कहती हैं कि ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस है ये मैं बचपन से पहनती आ रही हूँ और आज भी पहन रही हूँ. और उनके हस्बैंड जो कि बहुत बड़े सपोर्टर हैं, उनको भी वो श्रेय देती हैं और कहती हैं कि मेरी लाइफ के 2 पिलर, एक मेरे पापा और एक मेरे हस्बैंड, अगर मैं एक अच्छी लीडर बन पाई हूँ तो उसकी जो नींव है वो मेरे पापा ने रखी, और आज जो मैं सक्सेसफुल लीडर हूँ वो मेरे हस्बैंड की वजह से हूँ. तो शंकरी, जैसे आप बचपन से कॉन्फिडेंट रही हैं बिकॉज आपके पापा का सपोर्ट रहा है. देर आर फैमिलीज, देर आर फीमेल्स जो कि कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होती, जिनको घर में बहुत दबाया जाता है, बहुत ताने दिए जाते हैं, उनके खुद के घर में ताने दिए जाते हैं. तो टू बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि क्या चीज़ें होती हैं जिनसे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन बन सकती है?
Okay. So I think now we are already seeing a lot of changes coming in the society. A lot of advertisement we are seeing, which is empowering women. So my, major point and suggestion for making the woman strong, it start from your home. Start from your own home. So when there are 2 kids are there, a boy and a girl, so you have to start treating them well. You have to make your daughter understand that you are no lesser than your boy, and you have to make the boy understand that the girl is no lesser than a boy. So it will start from there. The society where we are living, we have to support from parental side, the in-law side, the husband, brother. As a female, पहले कहा जाता है फीमेल ही फीमेल को डाउन करती है.
जी.
सो नाउ एज अ प्रोफेशनल वी हैव टू सपोर्ट ईच अदर, वी हैव टू सपोर्ट सेलिब्रेट ईच अदर सक्सेस, एंड वी हैव टू सपोर्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ you see that your colleague is need help, or she's down somewhere, so you have to uplift her. So this is the way I think we can make a better society for women.
राइट. सो आपको लगता है कि कॉर्पोरेट की जब हम बात करते हैं तो women are demeaning women more than men?
See, corporate politics is everywhere, so we can't deny that. So as a woman to woman, as an individual, I think we have to handle this. So as a woman or as a man, in both cases, understand the politics, but don't be part of that politics. Understand the politics, play your cards well, make sure that you succeed. In corporates doing good performance is not enough. How to play your cards, how to make a right point at the right place is the most important thing. I think once is whether it's a male or a boy, whether if you learn that, I think you will be successful.
So let's talk about corporate fund. जब आपने कहा कि play your card well, तो ये कौन से कार्ड हैं जो कि हमें well play करने हैं?
So I said that when you are presenting anything, you're working, I think you have been working very hard, you're very good with your work, and that is not enough. काम करते रहो, बैठे रहो, कौन देख रहा है आपके काम को? राइट टाइम में अपने काम को प्रेजेंट करना, राइट पॉइंट को प्रेजेंट करना, दैट इज, डोंट टॉक टू मच. आई थिंक पीपल डोंट लाइक इफ यू टॉक टू मच. आई हैव लर्नड इन माय करियर आल्सो. ज़्यादा मत बोलो, पीपल विल नॉट लाइक इट. ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स भी मत रखो, पीपल विल नॉट लाइक इट. कीप योर पॉइंट विद, आई मीन सम पीपल आर लाइक दैट. आई थिंक आई हैव बीन लाइक दैट, दैट मेरे पास अगर 10 अच्छे पॉइंट तो एक साथ मैंने सारे ही पॉइंट्स बोल दिए. नो, you are making enemies for you in your own places.
Okay.
You will end up finding that मेरे अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त भी एक particular meeting के बाद मेरे से ठीक से बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. So these kind of things happens in the corporate. You know. So just, you know, that is your skill, Simran. So you have to understand it. I said understand. So understand is a very big game. So understand करके किस जगह पे कितना बोलना है, किस point को precisely कहाँ put up करना है, that is what going to make you success. So जो समझ गया, जो कर लिया वो success होता है, जो नहीं कर पाया वो politics का part हो जाता है. I mean, some people become part of politics. Some people don't prefer to be part of politics and they just try to avoid everything. Some people success, some people don't success, and then people leave the job also.
तो आप कभी पॉलिटिक्स का शिकार हुई हैं?
So nowadays I think politics is everywhere, no doubt. So but I don't get into that. I don't like it. I don't.
Nobody likes it.
In fact, you know, in my organization, so I am associated with my company from last 9 years approximately. And the structure and the culture of my organization is that we don't have much politics, honestly. I'm saying, you know, because it's a promoter-driven organization where they are directly involved in the day-to-day business with their stakeholders and meetings also. So they understand very well about all these nonsense, and they don't let this, you know, overpower the performances. So they have controlled that, and as a HR, so I have also, I think our goals are aligned, and we don't want to build that culture in our company.
Right.
So we make sure performer are performing and they are given space to perform.
Great. तो कभी आप self doubt के घेरे में आई हैं?
Yes, of course. As I said, that I used to put all my points, open all my cards. And I have realized I think what wrong I have done. I have put some wrong points, or I'm not, I think, I have talked too much. People are avoiding me. People are, I think, misunderstand me. So these all things come in my mind. And then I have very quietly and calmly, I thought about it. I think I made some changes in myself very quietly, and then I have changed my overall presentation skills, and that all we learn in our life actually.
So how did you learn? Like somebody taught you, or you learned by your own?
That is my own observation. I think, yeah, time to time my bosses, they have also given feedback, and they're very kind enough. They have always been upfront, and I have always welcomed the feedback actually. I'm not a person that if they are giving me feedback, I'll backlash them or nothing like that. I wanted them to give me a feedback, because when I'm a senior most person in the organization, I'm sure we all are learning, we all are working, we all make mistakes. No human and no professional is without mistake. We can be. We make mistakes and we learn from our mistakes, and that's a art and skill which actually make you a better and better version of yourself.
तो जब हम फीडबैक की बात करते हैं शंकरी, तो फीडबैक हम सब बोलते हैं कि हमें फीडबैक चाहिए, बट जब हमें कोई फीडबैक देता है तो हम उसे लेते नहीं हैं, एंड वी एक्चुअली यू नो क्लोज आवर माइंड. तो आपका क्या स्टाइल है फीडबैक देने का, या आपने सीखा फीडबैक लेना, या पहले से ही आपको आता था?
फीडबैक देना भी आना चाहिए और फीडबैक लेना भी आना चाहिए।
हाँ।
दोनों आर्ट है।
तो आपकी क्या डेफिनेशन है दोनों की?
तो मैं फीडबैक देने की बात करती हूँ, बिकॉज फीडबैक में ज़्यादा देरी होती हूँ,
ओके।
बिकॉज लेने का काम तो कभी कभी आता है।
जी।
सो देने का काम होता है, बिकॉज एज a HR person I counsel my employees also, I day to day I give feedback to my own team people also, give feedback to my colleagues also, and I'm very happy that people look forward my feedback and they take it very positively, and that is the I created that from in some certain point after certain years actually. So you have to connect with people. You can't just bluntly give them the feedback. You connect with them emotionally. They should first have that connectivity with you, and you have to create that kind of impact that they know what she's talking is for my own improvement and betterment. And that will not happen overnight. That you actually build that with certain years and experiences and relationship with that particular person. अगर आपका इक्वल कलीग्स हैं, सो वो आपको करना पड़ता है. आप अगर आपके जूनियर हैं तो देन यू हैव दैट सीनियोरिटी. सो एक सीनियोरिटी है, HR हेड है, so that plays a role. So that already you made that you have earned that actually in your organization. So वहाँ पर when you speak to people, when you give them any feedback, so they take it very seriously. Like, okay, fine. I tell them that, see, you have to connect with them as an individual. You have to connect with them as a emotional, with their family also. And that is the way you can, it's again, किसी के लिए इंडिविजुअल काम करता है, किसी को इमोशनल काम करता है, किसी का फैमिली के साथ कनेक्ट करो तो काम करता है. सो यू हैव टू सी हाउ दैट पर्सन इज एज अ इंडिविजुअल पर्सन.
आई एग्री एंड आई थिंक राइटली सेड. और मैं सबको कहना चाहूँगी कि कॉर्पोरेट में नॉर्मली लोगों को फीडबैक देना नहीं आता. जब हम फीडबैक की बात करते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं? आप अपने आप को सुपीरियर समझते हैं और तब फीडबैक देते हैं. अगर आपको जेन्युइनली अच्छा फीडबैक किसी को देना है, सो स्टार्ट विद एप्रिसिएशन, स्टार्ट विद वैलिडेशन. आप पहले उसकी एक अच्छी चीज़ को वैलिडेट कीजिए ताकि वो इंसान आपके साथ कंफर्टेबल रहे, और फिर आप उसे बताइए कि अगर आप ये कर लेंगे तो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी. बट हम क्या करते हैं? हम नैगिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं कि तुम ये अच्छा नहीं करते, तुम्हारे में ये प्रॉब्लम है. हम प्रॉब्लम्स को गिनाना शुरू कर देते हैं. बट ट्रस्ट मी, ट्राई कीजिएगा, जैसे शंकरी ने कहा, दैट यू हैव टू कनेक्ट विद पीपल. अगर आप अपनी टीम के साथ कनेक्शन में मिस आउट कर रहे हैं, अगर आप अपनी टीम के साथ कनेक्टेड नहीं हैं, तो आप उनको फीडबैक अच्छा नहीं दे सकते. और सिर्फ डोमिनेंस से टीम बिल्डिंग नहीं होती है. तो शंकरी, अब टीम बिल्डिंग की जब हम बात करते हैं तो आई एम श्योर टीम बिल्डिंग आपने भी की होगी, और आप HR में हैं तो बहुत ही मेजर रोल प्ले करती हैं. हर एक डिपार्टमेंट की एक अलग टीम होती है. तो आपके हिसाब से बेस्ट टीम में ऐसा क्या होता है कि वो हमेशा परफॉर्म करती है?
See, team building, team is led by a leader. And I think the credit goes to the entire team, and of course to the leader, how they are forming that relationship.
तो चलिए मैं ये पूछती हूँ कि लीडर कैसा होना चाहिए?
See, as a leader, you should be always there and available for your team. You should be always hearing each and every one in your team. लीडर क्या करता है? लीडर के ऊपर भी परफॉर्मेंस का प्रेशर रहता है. सो ही जस्ट वांट क्विकली मुझे सोल्यूशन मिल जाए, क्विकली मेरा काम हो जाए, एंड देन हिज फोकस इज ओनली ऑन दैट 2 or 3 people in their team who's a performer. So that is the one thing which push back the other people actually. Even when you motivate a person, when you give a space to person, training to person, even the normal average performer, you will find, I have seen it. That's my own experience, and they really do very well. So it's all about how you are guiding your team, how available for your team. I know it's difficult for the leader also, because the leader also has a lot of pressure, time bound, I think, targets hain unke paas. But still, you have to be available for your team. You have to make sure that people are given right tasks and assignments. Maybe, okay, fine, in one particular thing he has not been able to do. Why don't you change that, rotate it, and I'm sure in the other task and activity बहुत अच्छा कर लेगा. Similarly for other people, so you have to nurture them. As a leader, you have to nurture your team. You just can't be a target oriented person. Okay, fine, this is the target, this is the job you have to complete in this time. Once the job is given, you have to make sure that what support they need. You have to assess that, analyze that, evaluate that, where they need help, how they are performing, what change I can do that they can. You have to give them a platform to perform actually. And I think these are the few things which leader has to follow. And when the success comes, please celebrate with your team.
That's very important. I guess rightly said, शंकरी, कि हम जब लीडर बन जाते, एज एन लीडर तो नहीं कहूँगी, जो मैनेजर्स होते हैं दे आर सो सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड कि वो टीम को भूल जाते हैं. बट आई थिंक उनको ये समझना होगा कि अगर टीम नहीं होगी तो वो भी नहीं होंगे.
Nothing.
वो कैसे होंगे अगर टीम नहीं होगी?
Of course, we are nothing. So there is a say. I think the person who's working in the organization, he leaves the company. So it's the say is that the person don't leave the organization, the person leaves the manager.
Right.
So that's a very well said thing.
And I think it's true.
It's very true. It's very true.
तो शंकरी, जब हम बात करते हैं कल्चर की, सो अगर हम बात करें कंपनी कल्चर की, तो आपको क्या लगता है हु इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कंपनी कल्चर? इट्स ओनली HR, ओनली ऑपरेशंस, एज इन who is responsible?
So the entire organization is responsible for the culture. But yes, that derives from the top management and the HR. But each and every person working in the organization is responsible to build that culture.
So अगर एक अच्छा कल्चर बनाना हो तो क्या करना चाहिए और कैसे बनेगा एक अच्छा कल्चर किसी भी कंपनी में?
See, how we all have to, every company has the policies and everything. So policy should not be there in the paper. It should be implemented. There is HR, town halls are there. We have to make sure that the town halls are time to time it's happening properly. Whatever the feedbacks are coming, that should be taken very seriously. Culture जब हम create करते हैं, so every organization sets for their own culture. They have their own policies and procedures. Every organization that works in a different way. But to set a good culture, and there should be a transparency. Employees should not feel like that they are working somewhere where, I mean, they should feel like coming to office because they spend more time in the office. So to build that culture, I think each and every employee should be heard in this organization. Every policy ban gaya, fine. Everyone is following, fine. But at the same time, the top management, the HR, they have to make sure that things are implemented down the level properly. Employees are taken care properly. If there is any grievances, that is heard, Most of the company employees have seen the reviews that their organization, they have not been heard about their issues. And that's a main problem. When you don't hear, you close your ears. I think you can't work for the solution. So there is problem in every organization. No organization is without a problem. And when it's a small organization, it's growing big. I think people are more concentrated and more inclined towards the growth of the organization. They forget about the culture actually.
I agree.
But it goes together. You have built a good culture and you are growing organization. You have to ensure that the growth and the culture is going together.
आई एग्री. तो शंकरी, आपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस में ऐसा क्या देखा है कि जहाँ एक छोटी सी चीज़ से सारी चीज़ें बिखर गई हों, तो वो ऐसी क्या छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं? कॉर्पोरेट की बात कर रहे हैं हम.
डेफिनेटली जो कॉर्पोरेट पॉलिटिक्स हैं, आई थिंक जहाँ पर आई थिंक यस बॉस जो करता है वो सक्सेस हो रहा है. जो वाकई में मेहनत कर रहा है, हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है, ही इज़ नॉट बीन appreciated. He has not received his, the performance is not on basis of your merit. The performance is based on the yes boss. So I think ये अगर ज़्यादा दिन तक चला तो people will leave the organization.
तो आपको लगता है yes boss जो कर रहा है, अगर वो talented नहीं है, तो वो yes boss करने जिसको वो yes boss कर रहा है, तो वो boss मतलब किस तरीके से आगे अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को लेके जाएगा?
वो ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं चलता सिमरन, बट जब हम वो रियलाइज करते हैं, the damage has been done.
ओके.
जब हम इसको रियलाइज करते हैं कि ओहो, आई थिंक ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज फ्यू पीपल. सो क्या होता है ना, व्हेन द टॉप लीडर इज वेरी बिजी विद
Yes,
the
boss.
yes boss system, he actually because his work is already going very well. But there are two kind of people. जो yes boss वाले हैं, जो performers हैं. Performers are building his performance, and the yes boss are building their own image. So वो खुश है वहाँ पे बहुत. He is on a I think all heaven that people are. So he forgot actually कि I have a people to take care. When the team leaves, I think जो performers कितने होते हैं आपके टीम में, 2 3 4
थोड़े ही होते हैं.
ठीक है. When they leave, I think when you realize, oh, now things are not happening. I think my targets are not achieved. My work is suffering. And till that time, you realize that damage has been done. And then that's this is one of the example I'm giving you. If you talk about the entire organization, I have heard कि ये तो इतने साल से यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ है, ये तो इसी की चलती है यहाँ पर और किसी की नहीं चलती है. So there should be a very clear transparency should be there. And this is the responsibility of the top management to keep that transparency in the organization, in the departments, in the entire system, to make that culture, because culture is 100% important to make the organization successful.
आई एग्री. आई थिंक अगर हम सिस्टम सेट कर दें और सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट करें, अब चाहे कोई भी हो, जब सिस्टम्स एक्चुअली इन प्लेस होते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि पॉलिटिक्स और ये यस बॉस, फेवरेटिज्म, ये सब गायब हो जाते हैं.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि वो सिस्टम हर किसी के लिए सेम होते हैं. जैसे लॉ की हम बात करते हैं कि आप प्रूफ दे रहे हो, लॉ है और वो सबके लिए एक है, चाहे वो मैनेजमेंट है, चाहे वो एम्प्लॉय है. तो शंकरी, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ विद योर एक्सपीरियंस कि कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि जहाँ एम्प्लॉयज़ जेन्युइनली अच्छे नहीं हैं, एंड जब हम प्रमोशन की बात करते हैं तो हर कंपनी में बहुत अलग अलग सिस्टम्स होते हैं. PMS होता है, कहीं आप फेवरेटिज्म में, जो आपने बोला कि यस बॉस वाला में प्रमोशन होते हैं. तो आपने वर्स्ट प्रमोशन कैसे देखा, कहाँ देखा? आई डोंट वांट टू नेम द कंपनी, बट जस्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि कैसा था वो एक्सपीरियंस.
लीडर्स कभी कभी डरते हैं. आई थिंक जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर टीम.
जी.
You have to be available with your team actually. Your inclusivity is very important. अगर वो absent रहा तो आप right decision नहीं ले पाएंगे. आप imaginary decision ले लेंगे, which is that you think that he's so काम कोई और कर रहा है और अच्छी अच्छी बातें कोई और आपको बता देता है आगे. So आपने एक imagination create कर लिया कि okay, he is doing everything. He is the person behind my performance. And then he gets a promotion. And then क्या होता है, down the level perform कर रहा है,
वो उसको प्रमोशन नहीं,
उसको नहीं मिलता.
आई थिंक बहुत सारे केसेस, बहुत सारे कॉर्पोरेट्स में इट्स वेरी कॉमन कि वो बोल नहीं पाते.
करेक्ट.
कुछ लोग होते हैं सिर्फ काम करते हैं एंड दे अज्यूम कि समझ ही जाएंगे, बॉस तो देख ही रहे हैं.
ओ, ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. assumption नहीं कुछ होता है, assume नहीं कुछ होता है. You have to, when you're working, so you have to learn this art of performing well and presenting well.
Yes.
Both goes together.
I think assumption game में बहुत लोग
बहुत अच्छे performer
सब जाते हैं.
अच्छे performers, अच्छे employees company के. But they leave the manager, as I said. They don't leave the organization. They leave the managers because they have done so well, and they don't really bothers to talk, and because then they know that I can do very well, they choose the other path. They think that ठीक है, this was ये गलत रास्ता था, दूसरा रास्ता ले लेते हैं.
तो assumption के गेम से कैसे खेला जाए आपके रूल्स के हिसाब से? क्या रूल्स होने चाहिए assumption के लिए?
For to the individual?
Yes, we are talking about corporate
life.
Yes.
So when I said in my earlier point also, so you should have that skill. You have to learn that. Now you are a good performer, very good. वो कोई आपसे ले नहीं सकता.
जी.
Now learn the second art of presenting yourself. Because performance and presentation दोनों important है for your successful. नहीं तो आपका success कोई और ले जाएगा.
और ये बहुत common चीज़ है.
Nowadays it's very common. And आपके boss के पास शायद इतना time नहीं, because boss is also chasing the targets. So he might not have so much of time. So though the leader should have that quality to see that, but even you are not responsible for others. Your destination is not based on others' assumptions. So you create your own performance and don't depend on others' assumption. Present yourself well and make sure that your achievement is not taken by anyone else.
तो आपको लगता है शंकरी that sometimes good leaders also make mistakes because of circumstances or because of their own pressure?
See, everyone make mistakes. टॉप मैनेजमेंट आपका सीईओ है, एमडी है, कोई भी है, मिस्टेक्स तो सभी करते हैं एंड वी शुड लर्न फ्रॉम दैट मिस्टेक. दैट्स अ मेन पॉइंट. So when I talk about good leader, so sometimes it's intentional, sometimes it's unintentional. So हो सकता है the leader is very genuine because he is occupied with many things. He could not able to see the reality and things have
Gone beyond
his his eyes.
limitations,
Yeah.
of course.
So yes, leader can make mistakes. Leaders are human being. And human being make the mistake. So I think we should not expect any भी किसी position से भी कि ये इस position पे तो ये तो mistake नहीं कर सकता. No, everyone in a professional, in corporate, they all are human beings. And human beings, you're not human beings if you don't make mistakes.
But I think we do this mistake every time. What I have seen that we do have that expectations. ये तो leader है या तो ये तो top पे है. He should be perfect. और ये जो perfect syndrome है, this is killing their ability, they're killing their mental health. So have you also experienced such case?
Yes, I think that kind of expectation everyone face and I also face. Even my bosses expect that you are such a senior person, Shankri. You shouldn't be doing like this. We don't expect this from you. And that's a feedback I said. I always look forward for that. And I make mistake and I learn from that. And I make sure that, okay, and I also realize that somehow, One thing I'm very sure about is that the person who is talking to me and giving me the feedback is talking for my own benefit and improvement. That confidence I have. And when I get that feedback, so I think on that, I really sleep on that, and I realize where I went wrong. And I collect that, and I make sure that I shouldn't be repeating that, and that's a learning for my life.
वेरी नाइस. तो शंकरी, जैसा हमने बात किया कि जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं एक लीडर से बहुत ज़्यादा हाई होती हैं और जब वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस मीट नहीं हो पाती हैं तो शायद लीडर्स भी शैटर होते हैं, वो भी डिप्रेशन में जाते हैं एंड दे फील वेरी लोनली. तो आपने भी क्या ऐसा कुछ महसूस किया अपनी लाइफ में कि जितना आप ऊपर गई उतना आप आइसोलेशन में चली गई?
I think again I have been very fortunate कि मैं isolation में नहीं गई. There have been lot of ups and downs where you can't really share your downs with your colleague or with your people around you. But I think we had entire discussion. I think मैंने अपने husband के बारे में तो बात ही नहीं किया.
He's a biggest support.
He's a true inspiration to me actually. So he's the one go-to-go person for me, and I discuss everything with him, and he's one of the great mentor in my life.
Wow.
वो अपने साथ कुछ कर सके या ना कर सके, लेकिन he's a very good mentor. He can really guide you very well. He can really he actually connects with your situation and he gives you that advice.
Wow. So I think we all should have one person, whether he's your husband, your friend, your dad, mom, anybody. But I think हमें हर किसी को एक push चाहिए होता है, एक support चाहिए होता है.
Absolutely. You need someone with whom you can discuss actually with your heart. Because when you can't discuss with your office because you are again judged. So one thing I hate is please don't judge me. That's I don't like. So what I am. So if I'm discussing something with you, don't create any kind of imaginary pass any judgment about myself. So I don't discuss with anyone. First of all, I discuss everything with my husband, mostly things with my husband.
Nice.
And लेना है उनका advice, नहीं लेना है वो secondary है. But yes, I take the discussion. I definitely take some good advices from him.
Lovely. So जैसा शंकरी ने कहा कि लीडर्स भी क्रैश होते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल. सो दिस मैसेज इज़ फॉर ऑल द लीडर्स कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि लाइफ ख़त्म हो चुकी है, बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस लोगों की आपसे हैं, तो परेशान मत होइए. आप प्लीज़ अपनी फीलिंग्स किसी के साथ डिस्कस कीजिए जो आपको जज ना करे, जो आपसे ये एक्सपेक्ट ना करे कि आप हमेशा परफेक्ट हो, बिकॉज आप भी इंसान हैं. लीडर हैं तो क्या हुआ, हैं तो आप भी इंसान. तो प्लीज़ फाइंड जस्ट दैट वन पर्सन. वो आपका हस्बैंड हो सकता है, आपकी वाइफ हो सकती हैं, फॉर वुमेन आपके दोस्त हो सकते हैं, आपका कोई कलीग हो सकता है, या आपका कोई मेंटोर हो सकता है. बट प्लीज़ हैव दैट पर्सन इन योर लाइफ जिससे आप बात कर सकें. लाइफ बहुत खूबसूरत है, शायद हम उसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बनाते हैं. तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ना बनाइए. कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ ऐसे ही चलेगी, बट आपको अपने साथ हार्श नहीं होना, अपने साथ हम्बल रहना है. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आज मुझे काम नहीं करना और मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ या थक गई हूँ, प्लीज़ टेक अ पॉज, ब्रेक ले लीजिए. 1 या 2 दिन में आपकी परफॉर्मेंस पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. सो प्लीज़ लव योरसेल्फ, take a break, and do take care of yourself. I want you to share 4-5 tips to make a confident leader. We are talking about females here.
Let's talk about, I think, female, because now we want females are succeeding and I want them to succeed. So major accessory for the female is your confidence.
How?
You have to believe in yourself. First important thing, don't look at what people are talking about you. Don't look at what people are thinking about you. Don't look at what people are, don't allow anyone to talk negative about you. So anyone is
But
giving
how
any
can you
backlash,
stop?
I think you have to stop. You have to tell them to stop. You have to
How?
speak out. You have to speak out. You have to tell the people, no, sorry. No means no. So if I am silent, it doesn't mean that you can put your baggage on me. So you have to stop taking that.
Okay.
You have to tell everyone around you, whether it's your husband, whether it's your father, mother, whether it's your kids or your relatives, anyone. Don't allow anyone to talk negative about you.
But
And
can you
that's
actually stop that? Because people can talk anything.
I mean, they can't come and, downgrade you. Come and tell, oh, tum ye nahi kar sakti ho.
But they can do that. I mean,
they can do.
They have that
but
liberty.
They have that liberty.
How we can
but
stop?
Okay, fine. They have the liberty to talk. At least don't let that affect you. Make yourself strong.
Yeah, that is
Make yourself
better.
strong first. So it's a dual thing. If your personality is strong enough, I don't think people will have that courage to come and talk to you like that. It's you who give that space to come and talk to you. Because I can't allow anyone to come and talking to me, oh, you're like this, you're doing that, you can't do this. So no one can come to me and say that, because that is the aura I have created around myself.
So how we can create that kind of aura? I'm talking about people who are not confident, right? Because female demean themselves. They don't do, they have a lot of self-doubts. So how they can build themselves till that point where anything is happening, everything is happening, but it's not affecting them.
So that's a point, Simran. I think female, they have to believe that they are very strong. They have to believe that they can do anything. Please be ambitious. Set a goal for yourself. Don't just carry by others. Don't just be a carry back for people that what they are saying and you are listening. First, you have to think that you can do everything and anything. That is the first thing you have to build in yourself. That's a main confidence. And work consistently towards that. The consistency will bring the success. आज हम कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए, आज हमने गोल्स बना लिया, फिर किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, सारा कॉन्फिडेंस चल गया. That you can't success like that. Consistently, what goals women are already better than men. There is no proof is required in the society. There is I think I read I saw one video. Men work sun to sun. Women work to no end.
Hmm.
So you are already superior. You're already doing much better than anyone.
Yeah, because I
Morning,
think even if we talk about
yeah,
roles and
of
responsibilities,
course.
they have just outside responsibilities,
Yes.
office, that's all. But when we talk about women, uh, women work outside,
There
they
is no
work,
weekends for you. There is no duty hours for you. There
yeah,
is no off for you.
they have to
Nothing.
manage
I mean, the
everything.
man getting up in the morning, he's getting ready, he's having his breakfast, he's taking his bag, and very, lavishly, he's going to his office. And who's providing all that? The woman. The kids are going to school, everything is done for them. Who's doing that? The woman. When they are coming back from the office, when the sun ends, they are returning to the office and they are coming home, they are resting, they are they are taking their entertainment, everything. So, is there any limitation for female? They are getting up in the morning and there is no working hours for her. There is no off for her. There is no, I mean, incentive for her.
So
Nothing.
true, so true.
Nothing. So they are already superior. This is what they have to believe. I'm already superior. I'm nowhere lesser than anyone. I'm the one who is a main provider to my husband, to my child, to my parent, to my in-laws, to the entire family which is there. I think she has created that. So तुम फीमेल को जो भी दोगे वो तुम्हें उसका डबल करके देगी. तुम उसे हाउस दो वो तुम्हें होम बनाएगी. तुम मुझसे सामान ला के दो वो तुम्हारे लिए खाना बना के देगी. तुम जो भी फीमेल को दोगे तुम्हें उसका मल्टीपल मिलेगा. द वुमेन इज ऑलरेडी डूइंग वेरी वेल. आई थिंक उसको किसी के क्रीडेंशियल्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसको किसी के कंफर्मेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
बट शंकरी,
उसको
हम
सिर्फ
देखते
अपनी
हैं,
कॉन्फिडेंस की ज़रूरत है. उसको सिर्फ अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बिल्ड करने की ज़रूरत है. आई थिंक फ्रॉम वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम सोसाइटी में एक जो ये मिथ है, मिथ नहीं है, सोसाइटी का जो ये कल्चर है कि नो हाउस वाइफ हैं तो कुछ नहीं है, हाउस वाइफ ही तो हैं.
सो शंकरी, बहुत मज़ा आया आपके साथ. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड
you
मैं
so
चाहती हूँ जाते जाते आप सभी के लिए, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एज अ लीडर, आप सभी के लिए कुछ मैसेज दे के जाएं.
So this message is to everyone, to all my young generations, to people who are working, who want to work. So see, you have to believe in yourself. You have to have a confidence. And I don't think you should be dragged by someone else. Think about your strength, work on that. You have your own wings and fly with that wings. The sky belongs to no one. So please be selective, be wise, and be smart to take your decisions. Thank you.
थैंक यू शंकरी, थैंक यू सो मच.